Everyone uses onions in the kitchen. But here's what most people don't know. Eating raw onion, especially at night, can do some incredible things for your body. It's not just a flavor booster. Raw onions are packed with nutrients and compounds that can slow aging, improve sleep, fight disease, and more. But before you start chomping away, you need to know how to eat them correctly and safely. In this video, we'll break down the science-backed benefits of raw onions, how to eat them without stinking up your breath, who should avoid them, and how to make the most of this humble superfood. 1. Boosts testosterone. Did you know that raw onions could be a natural testosterone booster? Research published in the Journal of Nutrition reveals that onions stimulate the production of luteinizing hormone, a key regulator of testosterone levels in men. Beyond hormone regulation, the powerful antioxidants in onions help protect testicular cells from oxidative stress, which can otherwise impair reproductive health. This makes onions an excellent dietary addition for men looking to enhance muscle growth, energy, and overall vitality naturally. If you're wondering how to incorporate them into your diet, the good news is that it's simple. Adding raw red onions to salads provides a crisp, flavorful boost, while blending a small amount into a morning smoothie, along with fruits and greens, can mask the strong taste while still delivering the benefits. 2. Improves heart health. Raw onions are a heart-healthy powerhouse thanks to their high quercetin content. This potent flavonoid acts as a natural cardiovascular protector by helping to lower LDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and prevent dangerous blood clots from forming. A 2015 clinical study involving overweight individuals with hypertension found that daily consumption of quercetin-rich onion extract significantly reduced systolic blood pressure by 3 to 6 millimeters of mercury, a meaningful improvement that could lower the risk of heart disease over time. The sulfur compounds in onions also improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, further supporting cardiovascular health. For best results, try incorporating raw red or yellow onions into your meals regularly, whether in salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish for soups. 3. Enhances eye health. Those tear-inducing sulfur compounds in raw onions actually do wonders for your vision. The same substances that make your eyes water when chopping onions play a crucial role in protecting your eyesight. These compounds help prevent age-related vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration by boosting production of glutathione, one of your eye's most powerful antioxidants. Interestingly, traditional medicine systems have long used onion juice as a natural eye drop to reduce corneal haze and irritation. While modern science is still exploring this application, we know the selenium and vitamin C in onions work synergistically to protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative damage. For maximum benefit, try incorporating raw red onions into your diet several times a week. Their higher antioxidant content makes them particularly good for maintaining sharp vision as you age. 4. Promotes better sleep. If you struggle with restless nights, raw onions might be an unexpected sleep aid. Packed with L-tryptophan, the same relaxing amino acid found in turkey, onions help your body produce serotonin and melatonin, your natural sleep hormones. But their benefits don't stop there. The chromium in onions helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those disruptive nighttime crashes that can wake you up. For centuries, traditional medicine has used onions as a sleep remedy. Our modern twist? A simple sleep tonic that combines 1 teaspoon of raw onion juice with warm water and honey. The honey not only masks the strong flavor, but also helps tryptophan cross the blood-brain barrier more effectively. Drink this about 30 minutes before bedtime to ease into restful sleep naturally. 5. Anti-aging and skin benefits. Raw onions are nature's secret weapon for youthful, glowing skin. Bursting with vitamin C, sulfur compounds, and potent antioxidants, they work synergistically to combat visible signs of aging. The high vitamin C content stimulates collagen production, helping maintain skin's elasticity and firmness, while sulfur, a building block of keratin, strengthens skin structure and reduces fine lines. For those struggling with acne, onions offer a triple-action solution. Their antibacterial properties fight breakouts, their anti-inflammatory effects calm redness, and their blood-purifying abilities help prevent future blemishes. The quercetin in onions also protects against environmental damage that accelerates skin aging. For targeted brightening of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, apply diluted onion juice mixed with equal parts water or aloe vera directly to affected areas. Leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. The natural acids and sulfur gently exfoliate while inhibiting melanin overproduction. Remember to always do a patch test first, as some skin types may be sensitive to direct application. For best results, combine this topical treatment with regular consumption of raw onions to nourish your skin from within. 6. Boosts immunity. Raw onions serve as a formidable shield for your immune system, packing a powerful trio of vitamin C, zinc, and selenium that work in harmony to strengthen your body's defenses. The vitamin C in onions not only stimulates white blood cell production, but also enhances their infection-fighting capabilities, while zinc plays a critical role in maintaining immune cell function and reducing the duration of colds. The selenium in onions further amplifies this protection by supercharging your body's antioxidant defenses, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can weaken immunity. Together, these nutrients create a robust barrier against pathogens, making raw onions an excellent dietary addition during cold and flu season. For maximum benefit, combine raw onions with garlic and ginger to create a potent immune-supportive trifecta. Try adding thin slices of red onion to your meals daily, or blend them into immune-boosting smoothies with citrus fruits for an extra vitamin C kick. For an extra immune boost during illness, try a traditional remedy of onion syrup made by layering sliced onions with honey to soothe sore throats and congestion. The antimicrobial properties can help fight infection, while the honey provides soothing relief. 7. Strengthens hair growth. Raw onions offer a potent natural solution for common hair concerns, thanks to their exceptionally high sulfur content, a crucial mineral for keratin production. This mineral powerhouse works threefold. It awakens dormant hair follicles, significantly reduces excessive hair shedding, and may even slow premature graying by boosting catalase, the enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide accumulating in hair follicles. The antibacterial properties of onion juice also help maintain a healthy scalp environment by fighting dandruff-causing microbes, while its circulation-boosting effects ensure better nutrient delivery to hair roots. For those experiencing thinning hair, regular use may increase hair density by up to 30%, according to some clinical observations. Intensive hair growth treatment. Blend 1 medium peeled onion into a puree, strain through cheesecloth to extract the juice. Mix the juice with 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil for added moisture and protein protection. Section your hair and massage the mixture into your scalp using circular motions. Cover with a shower cap and leave for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times weekly for at least 3 months. The sulfur smell fades after washing, leaving hair stronger and shinier. Those with sensitive scalps should do a patch test first, or dilute the onion juice with rose water. Add 5 drops of peppermint essential oil to boost circulation and mask the onion scent. This affordable, chemical-free treatment often shows visible results in 6 to 8 weeks with consistent use. Have you tried eating raw onions at night? Drop your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your results.